In front of me is Honor Pad V9, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this tablet. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading free app called DevCheck Device and System Info from Flare to Developer. When it's ready, launch it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your device's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!